A mother is said to be sent by God to take care of all his devotees. She is the first person who the child sees when it's born and the only person whose heartbeat consoles it. All mothers do is give selflessly, and all we do is take effortlessly. So today let's talk about one of the most important person in our lives, mothers, and the selfless things they do for their children. Number 1. Embraces the child before it's born. Let's start from the beginning. When a woman finds out she is pregnant, she takes care of herself only for the child and makes a point to talk to her child every day. She bears the pain with a smile on her face, whether it's when the child kicks or it's delivery time, forgetting all about it as soon as her child is placed in her hands. I don't think it's that easy to forget the pain you go through, but somehow they just do. Number 2. Sacrifice. From sleep to her favorite movie, a mother selflessly sacrifices everything for her child, just to see that small smile creep onto her child's face. She sends her child out for movies and dinners while she sits home doing her daily chores, waiting for her child to return even at the latest hour. If there is less food, she would feed her child and sleep hungry, without uttering a single word. She sacrifices her life for her child. Number 3. Disappearance of privacy. Ever gotten up scared and rushed to your parents' room? The door was always open for you, wasn't it? A mother leaves the door to her bedroom open so her child can come to her at any time, whether day or night. Ironically, her child grows older and slams the door on her face when they are angry or need privacy. But a mother forgets the term privacy when she holds her child for the first time in her hand. Number 4. A constant juggling act. Mothers are the ones packing snacks before the family leaves the house. They make sure that there are enough diapers and wipes. They take children to dentists and doctors. Grocery shopping and tasty foods are prepared by them. Washing their children's clothes and putting them away, along with cleaning all our messes. Mothers do it all for their children. They work hard behind the scenes. Their hard work doesn't have any privileges, not even any appreciation, but they still do all these things for their kids. A 24/7 job. Number 5. Sitting up late nights. Mothers sit up till late at night when their child has a nightmare consoling them. They sit by their child all night making sure they are okay. Number 6. The WWE. Mothers have a very special hidden talent, the talent of being a professional wrestler. Want to see that trait? All you need to do is badmouth her child or pass a negative comment. A mother will always defend her child from anyone, whether it's her family or best friend, not worrying about the outcome. She fights against the world for her child for its wants and its needs. She fights to give her child the luxuries she never had, ignoring the circumstances. Her child always comes first, but when her child grows up, does she come first for him, her? Number 7. Love. Mothers love their children. No matter how old their children are, they will always love their children like they mean the world to them. A mother's love cannot be replaced. She shows it with the little kisses she leaves on her child's cheek or her moving her hand lovingly over her child's head. The times we got hurt, our mother would kiss our wounds and instantly we knew it would get better. A mother's love is the best medicine for her child. Number 8. First and last teacher. From the birth of one till their old age, a mother is their first and last teacher. She teaches her child the way of life from its birth, holding their hands through their adolescence till their old age, leading them on the right path. She starts with teaching her child how to talk, then walking, alphabets, schoolwork, college subject, and ending with teaching them the right ways of life. She ensures her child turns out to be a good and respectful person. So here's the list, guys. Let me know in the comment how much you love your mom, and if you love your mom, just hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will bring such contents every day. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.